unbox it.
I could probably be a gift wrapper at Hermes at this point.
It's silly, but I don't care. Okay, so let's rebox my Kelly to unbox it for my daily Hermes unboxings. So we're gonna rebox this, and then we'll rebox this in the next video. So this one's really special though, because it comes with a lot of little accoutrements. Okay, so we've got the little lock key clochette that's in here. Put that inside. I always keep these for when I want to store them. Otherwise I get bag organizers or bag pillows. A little thingy, but then also, so what's cool about this one is because you got little accoutrements, right? Okay, so we have this little protector for this to protect it. Doesn't scratch up. And then both sides have their own little dust bag. So you can put this in here, comme ça. And then you can put them inside the bag as well if you want, or you can just kind of have them hang free. It's really up to you. I'm gonna have it hang free. Dust cloth, how you do this is put this part where it's in the middle here and then put these through. Then you put it through here like that. Then you put this on top to protect, and then these. And the left goes first, and the right goes second, so that it says the Hermes right there. And then, in its dust bag. Is the right dust bag? I hope so. Seems a little tight. Oh well. Oh, no, that's right. Okay. You put this in, pop that in, pop that in. I never know which dust bag is which one. I have so many, they're just floating around. I also usually don't know which box is which one, so I hope this is the right box. Box. It's gonna be funny if I do these out of order. I'm probably gonna do the unboxing first and then the reboxing later, so. And then you put it in, make sure it lies on the pillow. It doesn't really have a handle, so I just put the on-pillow side, usually. Oh, this pillow might not, is this the right pillow? Okay, wait. Then we do that, and that, and that, and that. And now it's all ready for the unboxing. Oh, and then we can take a little string. Why not? While we're here. I do it like that, where it's even. Cross it over. How good am I at this? And you want to make sure that Hermes is showing on every side. And you bring it through. You tuck it under. Tuck it under. Make sure the Hermes again is showing. Hermes is showing. Then you take one side and wrap both of them. Then you do a little bow. And I could probably be a gift wrapper at Hermes at this point. What do you think? That's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. All right.